by accident. I don't know.
Connor is doing so good. Oh, I'm gonna crash into me. Oh. You put the brakes on? Yeah, you figured out how to do the feet. Okay. Lift it up, please, Sarah.
No, let go of that. There you go. Not.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
He can mess with that. Okay, Connor. Can you drive?
Oh, it's gonna crash.
You stay away from me. What did I say? No.
Quit crashing into my furniture.
Yeah. No,
Connor. No, no. Come look at me, Connor. You doing it, big boy.
Careful, careful. Gotta burn.
Too bad it like doesn't lounge or something like that.
Yeah. Okay, look at Mama. Yeah.